I disagree with you about automatically, can you win solely on function of a trigger?
Absolutely, yes.
Why?
Because the single function of the trigger, the Solicitor General has to win on both arguments to prevail. We only need to win on one of the two. So we could win on automatically standing alone, we could win on single function of the trigger standing alone, or we could win on both. We respectfully ask the Court to rule on both because there's a well-developed circuit split on each of the two sub-issues within the question.
Well, speaking of automatically, can you address the question I asked Mr. Fletcher about a band bump firing? And, you know, he said it was different on the ground of automatically, but how do you see them functioning differently?
They're indistinguishable when it comes to automatically. Everything involved with the band that Your Honor suggested and also everything involved with Mr. Cargill's non-mechanical bump stock is a manual action undertaken entirely by the shooter. There is no automating device. Mr. Fletcher has yet to identify any device in the non-mechanical bump stock that automates any task that is necessary for successful bump firing. It is all being done by the shooter. There's the recoil after the shot gets fired, and then it is the shooter who must, with his own hand and with his own force, exert pressure forward consistently to make sure that the trigger bumps into his finger. This is all manual. Nothing automatic about it. Nothing at all.